Okay, this is the final part of this question. We've travelled from A to B, and now we are carrying on through B, and we are moving towards point C. So let's see what else we can put on our picture. Okay, our particle is continuing to move along a straight line with the same constant deceleration of 1.5. So on this part of the journey, I'm going to put the same acceleration, which is still in the same direction. We're taking right to be positive. Okay, and then the particle at the point C is 6 seconds after passing through the point A. So from the previous part of the question, we've worked out that A to B has taken us 4 seconds. So that leaves another 2 seconds to travel from B to C to make it up to 6. Let's see if I can write sex better this time. Okay, I've got all the things I need for that part of the diagram. I only really want to be looking at this bit. Let's try and separate that off. Okay, so B to C. Question C. I want to work out some Suvat, so let's put those letters on. Right, what do we know about this then? We know that we've got an initial velocity of 2 for that part of the journey. Our final velocity is what we want. We've got the same constant deceleration we had before, minus 1.5. And the time has taken 2 seconds for that part of the journey as well. Okay, right, combining these, the best equation to use is this one. That links those 4 letters together. Put the numbers in. V is V, U is 2. And then we're minusing 1.5 lots of 2. So that's tidy up. That's 2 minus 1.5 twos is 3. So we're actually at minus 1 meters per second. Okay, so at some point that means the particle's turned round and our velocity is actually 1 meter per second, but in the left-hand direction. We're actually going back towards home again. So that's part C done. If we want to do part D, we want the distance from A to C. Well, we figured out a distance from A to B last time. I can put that back on as 20 meters from before. That's part B. So if I can work out the distance from B to C, I can add the total distances together. So let's do this. S, U, V, A, T. Now, displacement's what I want from B to C. Put in the values. V is, well, we can put it on if we need it, minus 1. A is minus 1.5. And T is 2. Okay. Combine these together. Let's use the equation that solves for S. S is a half. U plus V times T. Put the values in. Half. 2 minus 1 times 2. S is 1 times 1 is 1. So that means that we've travelled 1 meter from B to C. I'll put that on the picture. Make sure I put it as 1 meter. There we go. So total then, distance from A to C is 20 plus 1, 21. So finally, AC is 21 meters. Excellent job at the end there.